Hello everyone, I am Ajay Katyal, CEO of Nature Pearls Private Limited, one of the largest organic food companies in India. We are delighted to show you our journey to build an organic and sustainable farming project with the small farmers in India and the product best suited for the discerning consumer worldwide. I'm sure you will like this film and you will be able to see how we are developing these products and how our farmers are getting sustainable and growing income from this project. Thank you very much.